MotoGP Buriram is one of the biggest race weekends in Asia. Thousands of fans come here every year to see these bikes fly past over 300 km per hour. But honestly, the heat was brutal. Most of us spent time in the shade than cheering. So while watching the race, I started wondering something. How much does a MotoGP weekend in Thailand actually cost? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about getting to MotoGP Buriram. There are actually several ways to get there. You can fly from Bangkok, take a bus or the train. Flying is the fastest option, but during the MotoGP weekend it can also be the most expensive. I wanted a bit more adventure, so I rented a small scooter in Bangkok and rode about 400 kilometers all the way to Buriram. But there was one problem. Hotels in Buriram get very expensive during the race weekend. So instead of staying near the track, I moved a little further away and stayed in Surin. Later I discovered something interesting. From Surin there's actually a local train that goes directly to Buriram. The ticket costs only 9 baht. And from the station there was even a shuttle going straight to the MotoGP circuit.
Yeah, 160cc, 4,000 kilometers. Insurance conditions almost not insured. I love it, but it's better than a Mio. So thank you, Nancy. Nice chupa chup helmet. Let's go to Buriram. Bye bye.
The next big question was accommodation. During the MotoGP weekend, hotels in Buriram get very expensive. Even 2 months before the race, I couldn't find any reasonably priced rooms anymore. Most of the hotels near the circuit were already fully booked or very expensive. So instead of staying in Buriram, I decided to stay in Surin. Surin is about an hour away, but the prices were much better. The hotel costs around 1,000 baht per night, which is much cheaper than staying near the circuit during the race weekend. And from Surin, it was still easy to get to the race. There is even the train from Surin to Buriram. Next, let's talk about the ticket prices. MotoGP Thailand actually offers several ticket categories. But at the end of this video, I will show you a trick that can make MotoGP tickets much cheaper, so stay tuned. The cheapest option is general admission, which usually costs around 35 to 50 euros. Grandstand tickets are more expensive and usually range between about 75 and 125 euros depending on the section. Premium seats near the main straight can go up around 150 to 200 euros. I was sitting in the side stand D area. To be honest, the view wasn't the best. You can see the bikes passing by, but the overall view of the track is quite limited. The main grandstand probably offers a much better view, but those tickets were simply too expensive for me. Next, let's talk about food and drinks around the circuit. Compared to many European MotoGP races, food prices here were actually very reasonable. Street food around the track usually costs between about 50 and 120 baht. That's around 120 to 3 euros. Even drinks were relatively affordable for an international sporting event. A bottle of water is 20 baht, that's around 50 euro cent. And trust me, the heat, I needed a lot of water. But beyond the prices, the real highlight of MotoGP Buriram is the overall experience. The organization around the circuit was actually very good. There were 3 shuttle taxis running all around the area, which made it very easy to move between the different areas. The fan and body area was huge, with lots of food and merchandising and different activities. There were also several events during the weekend, like meet the riders sessions. At one point, they even had a tuk-tuk race on the track before the Grand Prix. That was actually a very funny moment. Inside the main tent there was a huge screen where fans could watch the race. One thing I also noticed was that it wasn't always easy to talk to local fans. Many people didn't speak much English, but everyone was friendly and welcoming. And even without speaking the same language, you could still share the excitement for MotoGP. Next time I think I will choose the main grandstand for a better view of the track. So after looking at the travel accommodation, tickets and food, how much did this MotoGP weekend actually cost? For this trip I rented a scooter in Bangkok. The rental price for 1 week was roughly between 60 and 75 euros. In total I rode about 1000 kilometers to Buriram and back. The scooter used around 30 liters of fuel, so fuel for the whole trip costs roughly about 30 to 35 euros. Instead of staying in Buriram, I stayed in Surin. Hotels in Buriram were already very expensive during the MotoGP weekend. Even 2 months before the race, I couldn't find any reasonable price rooms anymore. The hotel in Surin costs around 15 to 20 euros per night, so accommodation was actually very affordable. My MotoGP ticket costs around 90 euros. That was for the Sidestand D area. The view wasn't perfect, but it was still a great experience to see the bikes passing by at full speed. Food and drinks around the circuit were also quite reasonable. On average I spent around 10 to 20 euros per day. There was a lot of street food around the circuit, and honestly the food here might be some of the best on the entire MotoGP calendar. Thailand is famous for its street food, and the variety around the circuit was really impressive. So in total this MotoGP weekend costs roughly around 200 to 300 euros, depending on how long you stay. For a MotoGP race weekend, that is actually quite affordable. Before the trip, I wasn't sure if scooters would be still available to rent in Surin or Buriram during the race weekend. That's why I decided to rent one in Bangkok and ride all the way up. But next time I think I would probably take the train. It's much more relaxed, very cheap, and still gets you close to the circuit. And if you're already traveling in Thailand, visiting MotoGP Buriram is definitely worth it. It's a great experience and a very unique race weekend. But there is actually one more way to save even more money. And this trick I mentioned earlier. During the MotoGP weekend I discovered several local Facebook groups where fans were selling spare tickets. Sometimes people can't go to the race anymore and they sell their remaining tickets there. In some cases I even saw tickets for around 500 baht. That's roughly about 12 euros. So if you are flexible and check local Facebook groups, you might find some very good last minute deals. Of course you should always make sure the tickets are real. Overall, MotoGP Buriram is a fantastic race weekend, and compared to many other MotoGP races around the world, it can actually be quite affordable, especially if you are already traveling in Thailand.
Yeah, what a race. I'm back in Surin and now here at the night market, very nice night market, a lot of food options. Isan food, very famous in Thailand. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments, have you been also to Buriram to the race?